Hi guys, Mrs. Kaufman here. How are you? I'd like you to take a minute and solve all of these problems 1 through to 7 and see how comfortable you are with these. And when you're done, you can check your answers on the next slide. Okay, here are your answers. Our essential question for this chapter is, how do you determine if two numbers or expressions are equal? So we will explore that. Today we're going to learn to solve addition and subtraction equations mentally and to solve multiplication and division equations mentally. Here's our standards that we're covering. Here's our vocabulary. Can you please, in your notebook, define equation, equal sign, solve, and solution? Is 3, 4, or 5 the solution of the equation? A plus 7 equals 11. Let's take a look here. If 3 plus 7, does that equal 11? 10 does not equal 11. Are both sides equal? No. Let's plug in 4 for the value of A. 3 plus 7, does that equal 11? 11 equals 11, so yes. 5 plus 7, does that equal 11? 12 does not equal 11, so no, both sides are not equal. The solution then is 4. Solve G minus 7 equals 3 mentally in your head. What minus 7 is 3? G minus 7 is 3. What number minus 7 equals 3? 10 minus 7 equals 3. You know that. And 3, of course, equals 3. So the solution is 10. Okay, now what we want you to do is do this word problem. The total cost of a pair of skates and knee pads is $63. The skates cost $45. Use the guess, check, and revise strategy to solve the equation. 45 plus K equals 63. To find K, the cost of the knee pads. So the guess, check, and revise strategy. So what do you think it's going to be? And then check it. And if you're wrong, try again. That's what guess, check, and revise means. We're going to try 14. Does 45 plus 14 equal 63? No, it's only 59. So we took a guess. And we checked it and we were wrong. So we're going to try again. This time we're going to try 16. 45 plus 16, is that 63? Well, no, that's 61. 61 does not equal 63. So we're going to guess again. This time we're going to try 18. Does 45 plus 18 equal 63? Yes. So now we have guessed, checked, and revised. And then we guessed, checked, and revised. Okay. And tried 18. So then we've guessed, checked, and we were correct. So the knee pads, we know, cost $18. So let's try another one of these. Is 3, 4, or 5 the solution of the equation 18 equals 6z? Excuse me. So does 18 equal 6 times 3? 18 equals 18, so yes, both sides are equal. Now let's plug in 4 and see if that works. No, 6 times 4 is 24, so they're not equal. And then we're going to know again that 5 is not equal, right? The solution, therefore, is the number 2. I want you to solve 16 divided by s equals 8 mentally. So I want you to think, 16 divided by what number equals 8? 16 divided by 2 equals 8. And 8 equals 8, so the solution is 2. So Mason bought 72 sticks of gum. There are 8 sticks of gum in each package. Use the guess, check, and revise strategy to solve the equation 8 times P equals 72 to find P, the number of packages Mason bought. So we're going to use the guess, check, and revise strategy. So first we're going to guess. What do we think? 8 times what is 72? So let's guess. We're going to take a guess of 7. 8 times 7, does that equal 72? No, that's only 56. So now we need to revise. Let's try another number. 8 times 8. Is that 72? No, that's only 64, so that doesn't work. So now we need to revise and try again. This time we're going to try the number 9. 8 times 9, is that 72? Yes, that's 72. So Mason bought 9 packages of gum. Now I just want you to be really careful with this, that you make sure that you're getting the answer that the question is looking for, so that you don't get here and say, oh, 72. Because yes, 8 times 9 is 72, but the question is asking how many packages of gum he bought. So let's just be really mindful that you're answering those correctly. That can kind of flub you up when it comes to test time. So just be mindful of that. So how do you determine if two numbers or expressions are equal? I think today we kind of solved both sides, right? By replacing a variable in an equation with possible values and simplifying. That's how we did it today. Will you please answer this ticket in the door? I want you to solve the following equation, and then I want you to explain how you solved it. Thank you. Have a good day.